Hi everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek with another improvement of our billing settings and the way you can add billings. Some of you have used pro bono billings before, others haven't. In fact, previously it was related to the approval status and different companies use different approval status. However, now in your billing settings you will find a separate setting which says use pro bono billings. If you already use pro bono billings, this is going to be turned on. If not, you can turn this on, save, and try the pro bono billings out. How do pro bono billings work? Well, let's check it out. We go to add new time entry, and what we see is the same time entry form. We select our client, we select our matter, but now in addition to the description of our work and the usual adding of hours, say 2 hours, we have this checkbox which is pro bono. When you check a billing as pro bono, immediately its price becomes 0. It's actually similar to adding all hours billable, removing the all hours billable and saying 0. Actually, you can either do one or the other. However, if you add a billing that's pro bono, well, the word describes it, it's simply 0 hours. You've done it for the cause or for free. When you add it, it has the added benefit that it's not just a normal charge, it's actually a pro bono, a separate type of billing. So you can run reports on how many billings you do pro bono, instead of marking 0 billable hours. You can decide to use it or not. Now you have the setting and the full freedom to do it. Let us know if you have any questions and enjoy the new feature.